Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design elbow pipe with flange like this in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks and we can change for unit. Ensure select in millimeter gram second. Okay, we can see again for this drawing. Here is top view, section view from front view and side view. And here is isometric view. Unit all dimension are in millimeter. Okay, open. We start from front plane. Right click and click sketch. Now we can start draw line from this center to this and click A on your keyboard and this. Then we can see ensure this point click make tangent, this point click make tangent, this click make horizontal, and this ensure to make vertical. Then we can to apply for distance. This point to this line have distance in 95 plus 205 is 300. So this point to this line distance in 300 millimeter. Then this line to this line have this point to this line have distance in 200. So apply this to this in 200 millimeter. Don't forget to apply for radius in here in 75 millimeter. In 75 millimeter. Then we can to exit sketch. Right click on right plane and click sketch. Just draw circle from this center. Draw two circle like this. First circle for outer pipe have diameter in 100 millimeter. Then for this circle have diameter inner pipe in here in 80 millimeter. 80 millimeter. This. Then we can exit sketch. So after that, just select feature and select swipe boss or base. In here you can see for profile and path, select in scale profile, and for here select sketch 2. You can see in here, just select sketch 2 for profile, and for path just click this line, click OK, and done like this. So we can to make flange in here, circle flange. So right click on this face and click sketch. Convert entities for this edge inner pipe, just click OK, and select circle again. Draw, set for dimension, this circle dimension in 230 millimeter. 230 millimeter. Then draw circle again. Right click and click construction geometry. Okay, click sketch and set for diameter in here in 190 millimeter. So that just select circle and draw from this and set for dimension to make hole diameter for hole diameter in 20 in between 20 millimeter. Then we can to select circle sketch button, and it is to button, click the circle and ensure for in here in 4 number of instance, because in here are 4 hole. Just click OK. After we make sketch like this, just click feature and click extrude boss or base. Direction is blind, but it can reverse direction to this, because in here the total distance in here to here in 300. So you must direction to inside like this. Then for thickness in here in 20 millimeter. Then click OK like this. So after that we can to set this for to make this flange. Right click on this face and click sketch. Then center rectangle, select and draw from this center like this. Ensure this line and this line just click make equal, because you need a square with 200 and 200. set here in 200 millimeter, and here in 200 millimeter, like this automatically. So we can to select here and just convert entities, click this edge, click OK. Then select feature and click extrude boss or base. Direction ensure to inside, so we can reverse direction here in 20 millimeter for thickness in here, in 20 millimeter. Then don't forget to set for radius in here in 20, in here to fillet, sketch fillet, and here in 20 millimeter. Click this edge, this edge, this edge, and corner edge in here like this. Click OK, and don't forget to make hole in here. In here for hole. Sorry, it is incorrect. For hole diameter in 20. So we can to make hole in here with feature hole wizard and click hole wizard. And here hole type in is simple hole. For standard, you can change in ISO because in here finish specification in ISO. Size for type we can set in drill size, for example, and size in 20 millimeter. And condition ensure select in up to next, and position just click here 3D sketch, this center, this, then this. We can check for distance, this center to this center in 160, and this to this in 160 millimeter. It's correct, like this. Click OK, and done. It's so simple. We can see from section view in here. Click OK, and we can to make the sketch like this and sketch here to make flange in here. So right click on front plane and click sketch like this. Then we can draw center line here. Just make center line like this. For distance in here, this to this in 70 millimeter. Then for the length here, this center, this point, and we can see in here smart dimension. Okay, this to this. Okay, then we can to set for line, draw line like this, and this. Ensure this point to this point, click make coincident. Then set for dimension, this to this center line have diameter in 60 millimeter. This to this center line in 80 millimeter, like this. Then don't forget in here this to this, and this edge to this edge in 145 plus 300 in here is 445. So ensure this edge to this point in 425 millimeter, like this. Because in here total 95 plus 205 and 145 is 445. Okay. Then we can to click feature, click revolve boss or base. For line automatically this center line, and just click OK. After that we can to make hole in here, to cut in here. Right click on this face and click sketch. Just convert entities, select this edge, click OK, and click feature, click extrude cut. Then for direction change in up to next. Click OK and done. And we can to erase here. Just right click on this face and click sketch. Like before, just click feature. Sorry. Click sketch and convert entities. Click this edge and click OK. Click feature and click extrude cut. Then direction in up to next. Click OK. And done. So right click again on front plane and click sketch. Draw like before in here to make this flange. So select in here center line this to this. This point okay. We can set for distance this point to this have high in 115. So in here 115 millimeter like this, and just draw line like this, and this. Set for dimension this to this center line have inner diameter in 60. This line to this center line in 80 millimeter, outer in 80 millimeter. 80 millimeter. Then just click feature and click revolve boss or base. Automatically line in center line. Okay, sorry, I forget to set distance in here. This center to this edge in 95. So smart dimension. This center to this point in 95 millimeter. Just click feature again. Click revolve boss or base. Automatically in center line, form line, and just click OK. We can make hole in here like before. Just right click on this face and click sketch. Convert entities this edge and click OK. Click feature and click extrude cut. Direction in up to next and click OK. And right click on this face and click sketch. Convert entities to this, select this edge. This edge and click OK. Click feature again and click extrude cut. Direction up to next and click OK. And then it's so simple. So after that we can to make this plane shape like this. Before we can to click again on section view like this and right click on this face and click sketch. Now we can do convert entities for this edge. Click OK. And we can draw circle again for the center. Diameter in radius in 50, so diameter in 100. In 100 millimeter. Then draw circle here. Ensure this center to the center. Click make vertical. Set for dimension for diameter. Here diameter radius in 20, so diameter in 40. This distance the center to the center in here in total center to center in 140, so a half of 140 is 70 millimeter like this. Then we can to make a line, connect this circle to this circle. Ensure this line and click control, select this circle, just click make tangent. This line, click control and select this circle, just click make tangent. Then we can to mirror entities. We can to make center line like this from here to here, for example. Just click mirror entities. This line mirror about, just click this center line. Click OK. Then we can to mirror entities again. This line, this circle, and this line. Mirror about, just select front plane. Click OK. And just click trip entities for erase this, and this. Just erase this, in this, like this. So set to circle from this center and this center. Ensure T-circle, click Control and T-circle. Just click make equal diameter in here in 20. In here you can see for diameter to hold in 20 and here in 20 millimeter. After that, just click feature and click extrude boss or base. Direction to reverse direction to here, and thickness in here in 15. So input in here in 15 millimeter. Click OK and done. We can see again for section view. Click OK and done like this. Appropriate to this drawing. Then we can to click again. We can change for material. This material in galvanized steel. Right click on this material, right click and edit material. Just change in galvanized steel in here, apply and close and done. Okay, and that's enough. How to design elbow pipe with flange like this. Thank you for watching alien video, and I apologize if there are any mistake of error or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching alien video. See you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.